we realize that drug abuse is increasing our country, especially among youth, and this is a matter of concern. We pledge that we will cooperate in stopping the drug abuse. We promise that we will not consume any harmful or illegal drugs in any way for any purpose. We will create awareness about ill effect of drug abuse by encouraging every person, especially the youth, so that youth of India can live drug free and they can become creative and important members of society. Today we pledge that we will stay away from drugs and live a healthy life.